she.
Why you are laughing?
You know him? You know her?
Yes, everything is here. It's very popular in Indonesia.
Oh,
She's
then I have to very
actress.
carefully talk. Sorry, all the fans come to my Instagram. Sorry, you're all beautiful. Okay, maybe.
What she did?
Of course, she did some fillers near here, but nose surgery. Maybe only in front view I cannot judge, but she did nose surgery.
Okay.
Yeah, because yeah.
Do you think she do Chun treatment
Chin
or
treatment?
filler or
Yeah.
surgery?
Surgery? I don't think she got surgery, but a little filler or something she
Filler?
did. Yeah.
Okay.
but
Maybe
not-
some filler.
Yeah.
How about her lips?
Her lips, this kind of Russian lip style and filler. Yeah, she did already filler. I can feel because the distinction in here is a filler like. And if later she will resolve in another procedure, she will want because filler sometimes expansion, tissue expansion like this. But now very beautiful. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's man too.
Someone do?
Yeah.
Man, yeah. Her eyes taking me to the camera because different photo. The other man